Hello, I hope you've had a nice Christmas, and I just wanted to give you a short video while I get on with some serious work on the Mr. Floppy Drive project. This is some of my most favourite montages from 2023, including clips from Thomas Middleditch, starting with replacing the faulty power supply switch on my Philips CRT monitor. Next up, some fun bits from making that amazing floating Amiga boing ball. I made several videos about the A590 this year, and this contains a celebrity. I thought I'd start with this one, so let's give it a bath.
What? Hey. Fuck! Clean that shit. Careful now. I said careful now. Clean that shit. Very carefully. That's a lot of careful. That's extremely careful. That's wildly careful. That's a little too careful. That's so careful. What about the grooves? There was a lot of dirt in the grooves. Ugh. Put it all in. Now we're talking. Scrubby scrub. Get that clean. Hey, 590. Get it. Okay, clean. Rah. Rah. Ooh. Watch out, don't peel off the fucking stickies now. Whoa. Easy. Watch for the stickies. Don't get the stickies too wet. Risky. Rise up! Get your A590s clean, yo! One God! Hey! Soldiers! Where are my Amiga soldiers at? When you're down, we'd like to kick you. Pick yourself up. Grab yourself by the A590.
And because it was funny, I followed with this. First, let's give this lid, case and PCB a good clean.
Yeah! He knows what we want! Yeah! Hell yeah, dude! cool! Hell yeah, that's cool! Hi, I'm Thomas and I'm your freestyle dance instructor.
Now everyone loves a bit of high-speed soldering, so here's a recap on my A1200. And not forgetting the wonderful Amiga 2000 I repaired. And once repaired, upgraded too. Leaving the final job of giving the keyboard a clean. There were so many other exciting videos I made in the last year, and I also released 3 free games too, which you can find in the links in the video description. I also launched Retro Directory at Amiga Island, which has grown now 10 times in size. Also, somehow during this I also managed to create out over 500 drawbridge PCBs, and I've still got 250 sitting here waiting to be made up. 2024 is looking to be a busy and fun year. See you all soon.